Okay, so we are done with analyzing uh or determining if there is a significant difference between the two group means. Okay, independent groups. Okay, so groups are independent in that case, no? So how about if the groups are dependent, no? So meaning they are related. Okay. So let's talk about paired samples t-test. Okay, so let me share my screen. Okay, so paired samples t-test. So for instance, we have these research questions. So do you believe that the 2 months of observing an intermittent fasting diet can increase your weight? Okay, so in this case, you have before 2 months and after 2 months, no, meron kang ikino-compare mo yung weight mo before at saka yung after 2 months. Okay? Pero yung yung ikino-compare lang is yung weight, no? Weight mo, weight ng isang tao, ng maraming tao, okay? So, do you believe that daily practice for a month can help you improve your math solving skills? So, ikino-compare natin yung math solving skills ng isang tao before 1 month at saka yung after 1 month. Okay? So, what is paired samples t-test? So, paired samples t-test compares two means that are from the same individual, object, or related. So, gagamit lang tayo ng paired samples t-test kung gusto natin i-compare yung mean ng dalawang ng i-compare ang mean ng scores ng the same individual before at saka after, no? So, yun yung yun yung kaibahan ng paired at saka yung independent samples t-test. Kasi sa independent, yung i-compare mo na groups are independent, no? So, hindi nakakaapekto sa isang grupo yung scores ng isang grupo. Dito naman is may possibility na makaapekto, okay? Ah, pero yung data, yung scores ay na-obtain sa iisang individual lang. Pero nagva-vary lang siya through time. So say for instance, pre-test, then post-test, okay? Or before 1 month and after 2 months, after 1 month, so before and after, or pre-COVID or post-COVID na mga data sets, no? So kung i-compare mo yon, that means ang gagamitin mo is yung paired samples t-test. So yung paired samples t-test ay yung aim niya is to determine kung meron bang mean difference between the paired observations, no? Kung meron bang kaibahan. Okay? So next, ano yung mga assumptions ng paired samples t-test? So kagaya ng independent samples t-test, dapat randomly collected yung data doon sa population. Yung pangalawang requirement naman is dapat dependent, no, yung groups na i-compare natin. Okay, so say for instance, meron tayong pre-test, post-test, before 1 month and after 1 month, pre-COVID and post-COVID, okay, na grouping. Okay? Then number three, dapat yung dependent variable must be continuous. And so dito, meron tayong tatlong requirement at meron tayong dalawang assumption. So hindi kagaya ng independent samples t-test na tatlo yung assumption. So ano yung dalawang assumption? Dapat walang significant outliers in either of the two groups. Tsaka yung difference of the observation of the paired groups should be normally distributed. Okay? So, take note yung kaibahan ng paired samples at saka yung independent samples when it comes to normality condition. Kasi yung sa independent, dapat each group must have normally distributed dependent variables. Dito sa paired samples is dapat yung difference ng observation ng paired groups should be normally distributed. So yung yung isa-subtract mo yung observations, dapat yung output nun normally distributed, parang bell-shaped curve. Okay? So again, let's have an example. Okay, so we have here data about the weight before and the weight after. Okay, so let's input this in JAMOVI. So hindi kagaya ng independent samples na isang column lang yung dependent at saka isang column din yung independent or grouping variable mo. Dito, ang kaibahan is yung pre at saka yung post, no? Magkaibang column sila. Okay? So, ika-copy natin to, yung dataset, at saka ipipaste natin sa JAMOVI. Okay, mag-open muna ako ng JAMOVI. Okay, so ready to paste. So, ito na yon. So, ito yung weight before, yung A, yung weight before, at saka it must be continuous, no? Tsaka yung B is ang weight after. Okay. So, dapat continuous. So, number one, i-assume natin na kung ano, yung tatlong assumption is na met niya. Yung requirements pala. So, yung i-check na lang natin sa software is yung mga assumptions. So, dalawang assumption lang, yung existence ng outlier at saka yung normality condition. So, yung existence ng outlier, ito yon. So, same lang sa kung ano sa box plot sa independent supposed test, box plot lang yung gagamitin natin. Okay, so yung weight before at saka weight after, ilalagay natin sa variables. Then, click, okay, rows. Okay, so click natin yung plots, so box plot. Ito yun. So, ito yung weight before at saka weight after. So, kita nyo, meron siyang outlier. So, pag may outlier, i-delete natin. Okay, so sa weight before, meron tayong sa ika-7th row. So, 7th row. So, i-delete natin to. Right click, delete. Okay. So, dito naman, sa weight after, nawala yung outlier niya, no? Pagka-delete ng ika-7th row. So, mas maganda. Okay? So, wala na siyang outlier. So, next is another assumption is yung difference ng observation natin dapat normally distributed. Okay, so dito tayo sa t-test. Tapos, i-click lang natin tong paired. No? So, kasi paired t-test na yung gagawin natin dito. So, i-transfer lang natin yung weight before at saka weight after sa paired variables. Okay? Then, dito sa baba, meron tayong normality test. So, i-click lang natin to. So, Shapiro-Wilk pa rin yung gamit natin. At alam naman natin na pag yung p-value is greater than alpha, so isi-set lang natin yung alpha na 0.05. So, yung p-value natin is 0.3. Yung alpha natin is 0.05. Tapos alam naman natin na pag yung p-value is mas malaki sa alpha, yun yung uh, yun yung ibig sabihin nun is that normally distributed yung dataset natin. So again, meron tayong dito no, weight before minus weight after. So kasi difference kasi yun. So ito, ibig sabihin nito yung difference ng dependent variables natin, no, in each group are normally distributed. Okay? So balik tayo dito sa Saan yan? PDF natin. So, na-satisfy na natin yung dalawa, yung outlier at saka normality condition. Okay, so doon na tayo sa analysis. Okay. So, gagawa lang ako ng another Microsoft Word dito. Okay. Then, i-state ko muna yung alternative at saka null hypothesis ko. Okay, so ito yung alternative null hypothesis ko, H sub 0. There is no significant difference between the weight before and after. Maybe after the training. Okay? And yung alternative hypothesis ko naman ay ito. Sorry. Copy paste ko lang. So there is a significant difference between the weight before and after the training. Okay. So ngayon, normally distributed siya. So balik ako sa JAMOVI. That means yung gagamitin ko is yung paired samples t-test. Ito yung students. Pag hindi siya normally distributed, ang gagamitin ko is non-parametric test, which is yung Wilcoxon. So again, yung parametric test is yung paired samples t-test. Yung counterpart niya na non-parametric is Wilcoxon. Doon naman sa independent samples t-test, yung parametric test is yung independent samples t-test or maybe yung Welch. Depende kung equal or unequal yung variance. Pag ang counterpart naman niya doon sa non-parametric is yung Man-Whitney U-test. Okay? So, I hope naintindihan yun. Okay? So, since normally distributed naman yung data natin, so, i-click natin itong students. And ito yung output natin dito. Okay? So, gawa lang tayo ng table. Okay, table. So, sorry. Ito muna. Tingnan muna natin to. So, yung output natin sa paired samples t-test is yung p-value is 0. So, yung p-value is 0. Tapos, yung alpha natin is 0.05. So, mas maliit yung p-value kasi sa alpha. So, we will reject the null hypothesis. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, i-reject natin tong null. So, ang conclusion natin, dito lang muna ako sa baba. Conclusion is mayroong significant difference yung training between before and yung weight, no? Before and after the training. Okay? So, paano natin ipipresent ito sa ano? So, yung ipipresent natin is ito. Ganito yung pag-present. Mm, gagawa lang tayo ng table. So, yung variables, yung mean, yung statistic, p-value, then remark. Pwede remark lang. Okay? So, ito yung variable natin. Groups. Sorry. Tapos, yung mean, weight. Tapos, yung test, statistic, yung p-value, tsaka yung remark. Okay. So, meron tayong weight before, tsaka yung weight after. So, tingnan natin yung mean weight nila. So, nandito sa taas. I think ito. So, mean weight ng before is 65.4. 65.4 kilogram. Then, after is 81. Parang hindi training to. Parang kuan siguro, before and after, ah, eating the feeds na lang, no? Eating the feeds. Okay? After eating the feeds. Okay? So before and after eating the feeds. Then yung test statistic natin, dito tayo gumawi. So ito yung statistic natin, negative 17.4. So negative 17.4. Yung p-value natin is 0. Yung remark natin is significant, no? Significant yung difference. Okay, so i-merge lang natin tong table na to. Merge. Then merge. Okay, so doon tayo sa layout. Then yung to fit ko yung content at saka yung window. So usually yung sa thesis dapat naka-fit yung table side by side sa page, no? Tapos lalagay ko sa center ito. Mhm. Yan. Itong grouping pwede siya sa left lang. Okay. Tapos ito is naka-bold. Ano pa? Magdi-design ako ng group so ng table so ino-no border ko muna to at saka gagawa ko ng border. Okay? So ganito yung sa taas, sa baba, tsaka yung sa gitna, dalawang guhit. Okay, so ito na yung ah, aking table, no? So you may right click and insert caption table 1. Can use APA format, no, to format your table. So table 1, that is the comparison of the mean weight of uh sorry, pigs before and after eating before and after eating the feeds. Okay? BI. So, ganito, no? So, ganyan lang mag-analyze ng paired samples t-test, paired groups. Okay? So, dapat masatisfy nyo yung dalawang assumption at tatlong requirements. Sa pag-analyze ng data gamit ang paired samples t-test. Halimbawa, yung pag nakita natin sa assumption na oy hindi siya normally distributed, yung difference ng dependent variable natin within in each group, in the groups of the two groups. So that means gagamit tayo ng non-parametric test which is yung Wilcoxon sign rank test. Okay, so yun lang at salamat.